our corticobulbar tract. Now this tract is very similar to our corticospinal tract, being that it is the motor pathway to our muscles, although rather than terminating in our spine, our corticobulbar tract will terminate in our brainstem, and it will control the muscles of mainly our face via our cranial nerves. So we have a look down here. Our muscles of our face originate in our face cortex of our primary motor cortex. They will then descend into the internal capsule, specifically in the genu of the internal capsule. If I draw our internal capsule over here, it's a boomerang shaped structure, and genu meaning knee. If pretending it was a leg, our genu is right in the middle, our knee. So that was an F for our face. So when it goes through our internal capsule, it'll then get to our brainstem, and depending on which cranial nerve it's going to innervate, it will project most often bilaterally, meaning on both sides to the paired cranial nerves, wherever that is in the medulla or the pons, wherever it happens to be. However, there are two exceptions, being cranial nerve 7, or our facial nerve, and cranial nerve 12, being our hypoglossal nerve. These pathways will follow the exact same pathway through our genu in our internal capsule, and they will only innervate contralaterally, meaning the opposite side. Regardless of which pathway, regardless of whether it decussates or is bilateral, the end result will be motor control to whatever region of our cranial nerve we're supplying. So for the face, it might be the lower half of our face. And that's our corticobulbar tract.